Hello, this is Nancy from MovinsEdition. Let me introduce you a Puma Vettura Classico mid-shoes item from the MovinsEdition series. It's a new product from MovinsEdition, and it's Vettura Classico mid that's made of classic cars that are hard to get at home and abroad. Vettura Classico is an Italian version of a classic car and a classic car made in Puma. The outsole part is unique. Nancy looks like a boxing shoe and a driving shoe. European styling takes center stage with Vettura Classico from Puma Men's. This mid-cut fashion sneaker boasts a distressed canvas upper with luxe leather accent panels and top stitched with Puma's signature accent stripe. An eco-ortholite insole maintains freshness and keeps moisture at bay while providing a comfortable, shock-absorbent ride. Distressed canvas uppers with full-grain leather trimmings. Padded heel counter for comfort. Unlined with a cushioned eco-ortholite insole for comfort, antimicrobial protection and moisture-wicking properties. Traditional lace enclosure with waxed cotton laces for optimal fit. Eva midsole. Thin wrapped gum rubber outsole for grip. This product has a unique leather strap treatment on both sides of the Puma signature. This is the new Puma Vettura Classico mid shoes from MovinsEdition. Did you enjoy it? It's Vettura Classico mid, a model that's hard to get at home and abroad. Vettura Classico is a model made in Puma, which means classic cars in Italian. Follow me on my channel.